Hello?
Here to turn myself in. Kevin Hemmerich. You're so mad.
Good deal. What are you doing? Just keep going. You're live.
This isn't as fun as I thought it would be.
More fun when the cops come, I guess.
Can I get tackled or what?
And don't blow the air horn.
Alright, sorry.
What's your name?
Kevin Hemmerich?
Kevin?
Yeah.
What's your date of birth?
1/31/88.
Okay.
Sorry, my bad. My bad.
Where's the other one?
In the car.
Left me one sweet.
I'm bored with this already.
You haven't been loud enough.
I can't get that. Fuck, dude. Sorry. It's not true.
It's got butterfingers.
Slipped.
Caesar says hi. Caesar said hi.
Hey, Caesar. Doing shout outs. Should plug Bombi. Check out Hemp Giraffe. Shout out to OPW.
Old Pussy Washington. It'll be even funnier if we just left.
Come back later. It's taking forever. This is the longest it's ever taken me to get arrested.
We brought him to you.
Should have came in hog time.
I wish I brought the heroin.
I don't think they're taking me seriously.
Because I'm strange.
This point.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, who's blowing the fucking air horn?
Me.
Why are you doing that?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't fucking know?
It slipped, brother. I'm
You
sorry,
slipped?
man. Yeah, you're on camera, bro.
I don't really care. I
What
don't really fucking care.
What are you doing here?
Wanna
He's
come
turning
here
himself
and
in.
fucking-
For what? Bro.
Guys are what? Hey!
I hope everybody on Facebook Live just saw this fucking cop hit my brother, and they're gonna get sued for fucking assault! Fuck you, Hopatcong Police Department, you bunch of fucking scumbag pussies! If anybody knows who I should send this video to of the cops assaulting my brother, please let me know. My phone number is 862-354-2311. Thank you for watching.